From Stockholm, 1719 kilometers north. Welcome to where the road ends. There are few ways to drive from Stockholm to North Cape. I chose the one that goes through Finland. Friday afternoon, Stockholm disappearing in the mirror, nothing ahead but north, and of course, the rain. But somewhere north of Luleå, it cleared. I crossed into Finland at Haparanda. First stop, Rovaniemi, the Arctic Circle. I made a detour to a border crossing between Finland and Russia, but it was closed. I had also planned to visit the Tri-Point, the exact spot where Finland, Norway and Russia all meet in one place. 3 countries, 3 different time zones, all touching at a single point. But it was 300 extra kilometers, 4 extra hours. I had to let it go. So I turned around and kept going north, as far north as the north goes. Crossing into Norway, narrow roads, darker sky. It was pouring. Just road, stretching ahead as far as you can see. Reindeer had been following me the whole trip. And here they were again, 6 of them blocking the road right before the tunnel, as if they knew where I was going. One last tunnel, North Cape just ahead. This is it, the top of Europe. 307 meters above the Arctic Ocean, the cliff dropped straight into the sea. Standing at the edge of the continent, looking down. Up on the plateau, it feels like a different planet. No trees, no grass, just rock, wind and sky. Like meteors have been falling here for millions of years. If you were blindfolded and brought here, you would never guess you were in Norway, or on Earth for that matter. And yet, here you are. And then you look out, the Arctic Ocean stretching in every direction. After the plateau, I drove 30 kilometers down to the nearest town. Norway were playing Brazil. FIFA World Cup 2026. I watched the match there. Just before midnight, I drove back up. To see this. The sun at midnight, not setting, just sitting there on the horizon. This is what I came for. That night I slept in my car, right there on the plateau. I don't think I will forget that. In the morning, the sun was already up. In fact, it never went down. At North Cape, the sun doesn't set from the 12th of May until the 31st of July. On the way back, I stopped at a small reindeer shop by the road. Meat, hides, antlers, items carved from bone. The kind of place you would expect to find here. Then Tromsø, a proper city after days of empty roads and tunnels. Lights, people, restaurants. It felt strange after so much silence. I spent the night there and kept moving in the morning. Somewhere between Tromsø and Senja, I pulled over at a nice spot. I'd been eating out the whole trip at restaurants, petrol stations, whatever was available. But today I wanted something different, something from home. Chana Pulao. It took a while on a camping stove, but it was worth it. While I was cooking, a fellow traveler stopped by. He was from Germany, traveling as well. I invited him to eat.
Best I've eaten in 1 week. It's awesome.
Really?
Very good food.
I will take that as a compliment. Senja, one of Norway's most beautiful islands, and one of its least visited ones as well. Dramatic mountains, deep fjords, tiny fishing villages. I could have stayed longer. But then, Sweden. Abisko, a place I'd always heard about but never visited. The canyon alone was worth the detour. same evening, I reached Kiruna, Sweden's northernmost city, sitting on top of one of the world's largest iron ore mines. The whole city was relocated a few years ago because the mine expanded underneath it. I didn't stay long. The road home was calling. Just after Jokkmokk, heading south, reindeer again. A whole group of them right by the road, as if they were seeing me off. "7 days, 3 countries, 4,253 kilometers, and a bowl of Chana Pulao somewhere in Norway. Not a bad trip, I guess."